should do, what you should do, and what you should do to improve moving forward.
I know I'm a little bit messy. I understood so far what I have done, and I understood like how to improve myself. Like I need to more study and more organize carefully. And here's for you. So far, they have done everything for us. I appreciate for that. It helps us to improve skills in any environment in future. That I hope.
Okay, so can I give him the 10-second feedback?
Sure, sir. It will help.
So please do not use the word for practice. That's not what instructed. Exactly do whatever we have been doing, and then raise the question. So those are the things was missed, because the three important part has been done. The manual testing, understanding the requirements, API testing very details, and the gate. All of these tools are very powerful. I have not seen any of this. I understand this is only 2 months, but at least the basic, the manual testing is not done, the API testing is not done. There is no excuse. Why I said that? Well, we have done it. You just do the copy paste the same thing. At least I could have said myself, well, they at least mimic. Mimic means they copied what we have done. So I found out not only you, many have not done it. And it means where you spend your time, we don't know. So it need to be, it is the good time to ask the question why I'm doing it. I should not do this. I need to be active. I need to hold myself accountable daily basis, what I do.
Correct. Thank you.